Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage voice assistant for your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5. And firstly we need to add this feature to the control, and to do this you need to open EDIFIER CONNECT application, and of course you need to add these headphones to the application. After that, you go to the settings at the right top and to control settings. And now we can add it for the Bluetooth button, and you can add it for the press or double press. And you need to, right here we have voice assistant, and for the double press we also have voice assistant. So let's say I wanna add it for the double press, so I tap the voice assistant, and now let's check it. So the Bluetooth button located at the right ear cup. Sorry, and we need to press 2 times this button. 1, 2, and as you can see I just call Google Assistant. If you set up Gemini you will call Gemini. So it works and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!